We have spent decades looking at the moon as a barren, dead rock. But deep within the shadows of its south pole, where the sun hasn't shone for 2 billion years, lies the most valuable commodity in the galaxy. It isn't gold, and it isn't diamonds. It's water ice. In space, water is more than just something to drink. It is blue gold. It is the raw material for rocket fuel. The country that controls these frozen craters won't just own the moon. They will own the gas station of the solar system. Today, on Epic Wealth, we explore the trillion-dollar battle for the lunar South Pole and why the moon is about to become the most contested real estate in history. To understand the wealth of the moon, you have to understand the gravity well. Lifting water or fuel from Earth is incredibly expensive, costing thousands of dollars per kilogram. But if you can harvest water on the moon, you can break it down into hydrogen and oxygen, the two ingredients for high-performance rocket propellant. This turns the moon into a deep space filling station. Instead of carrying all their fuel from Earth, Mars-bound ships can dock at the moon, fuel up, and launch into the void. This isn't science fiction. It is the fundamental business model of the cislunar economy. Not all lunar land is created equal. The wealth is concentrated in a few specific spots, specifically the craters like Shackleton. Here, the crater floor is in permanent darkness, preserving the ice, while the crater rim is in near-permanent sunlight. This is the ultimate double asset location. You have the ice, fuel, in the shadows, and the sun, power, on the peaks. In 2026, as India's Chandrayaan missions and the US Artemis program intensify, we are seeing a sovereignty race for these specific coordinates. Because once a base is established, international law regarding non-interference effectively gives that nation a monopoly over that resource. India made history by being the first to land in the South Pole region, and it wasn't just for prestige. It was a strategic economic move. By proving they can operate in this harsh terrain, India has positioned itself as a primary stakeholder in the Lunar Gateway. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, is currently developing the LUPEX mission with Japan to specifically sample this blue gold. This isn't just about science, it's about resource prospecting. In the world of epic wealth, the first one to prove the grade and quantity of the ice sets the market price for the entire lunar colony. We are currently in the prospecting phase. By the late 2020s, we will enter the infrastructure phase. Companies like Intuitive Machines and Lunar Outpost are already building the rovers that will mine this ice. The real wealth here isn't just in the ice itself, but in the logistics. Whoever owns the pipes, the electrolysis plants, and the storage tanks will become the standard oil of the 21st century. We are witnessing the birth of a new asset class: extraterrestrial utilities. For centuries, empires were built on the control of spice, silk, and oil. In the space age, empire will be built on the control of the simplest molecule, H2O. The moon is no longer a destination, it's a springboard. And those who control the blue gold of the South Pole will hold the keys to the rest of the solar system. Make sure you are subscribed to Epic Wealth for the next episode, where we dive into helium-3, the rare element on the moon that could power the entire Earth for 1,000 years. I'm your host, and the gold rush has only just begun.